Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, I'm going to share my thoughts on a online money-making opportunity that comes from a company called Text 121 Chat. All right, so this is a company that you could apply to, and if hired, your job is actually texting people, right? You just got text. That's it, right? So in most cases, most people would be like, "What? This easy work, right? Let's sign me up. Like I can do this all day. I text all day anyway, right?" But here's the thing. It's primarily, from what I've seen from the site, it's adult, right? Adult texting. Now, apparently there is another department that you can work in that's more, friendly. It's not adult content, but I believe you get paid a lot less if you're doing that kind of texting versus the adult. So could this be, maybe, I wonder, is this a good side hustle, right? Or is this just another waste of time website? So the reviews that I checked out on Text 121 Chat are pretty much bad overall. There's a couple where I seen that they're like, "Yo, this is a fun opportunity, flexible schedule, pretty fun, whatever, blah blah blah." But the majority of people that talk about this opportunity says low pay. It's not worth this opportunity at all. And one thing that I noticed they said about this chat job is that you have to hit a certain, I don't know if this is 100% true, but I've seen it several places where they said you have to hit a certain amount of income at the end of the month. And if you don't hit that income, you don't get paid for the month. And if that's true, that's ridiculous. That's horrible if that's true. Like, you telling me I could be busting ass all month, right? I could be texting and typing and dealing with just ridiculousness, and then at the end of the month, you tell me I didn't reach my quota. I ain't reached my quota. Nah. You know what I'm saying? I ain't feeling that if that's true. But there, it does sound super easy, right? It sounds extremely easy. If I guess you do gotta apply and you do gotta get hired, but if so, it sounds like fairly easy work. I think if you're not bothered by the adult content that you're going to be witnessing and having to interact with, then it might be worth just looking into, because a couple people were like, "Oh, the money's not bad." Majority of people were saying the pay is garbage, right? So if you're completely bored, right, and you just like really want to try something and you're not bothered by the content you might be dealing with, you can check it out. I wouldn't do it. Me personally, I think it would probably ultimately lead to being just a waste of time. But this is a real company. They've been around several years. People do work for this company, so it's worth you can look at the website. I'll put a link to the site in the description so you can check it out for yourself. I do just think the whole thing is just funny. I don't really know what adult texting is. I mean, I know what it is, but I'm thinking, so wait, somebody actually log on and they're like, "Hey," that's my dog. What? Bucks. Anyway, so people log on and they're like, "Hey, what's up? What you wearing?" And then you get the message like, bloop, bloop, and then you text back like if I'm working for them, I'd be like, "I'm wearing a red lingerie," and I'm looking like this, and then they get it like, "Oh yeah, huh? What size is it?" And I'm like, "What size you like?" Boop, boop. And they be like, "I like a medium," and I'm like, "I have a medium on." Is that? Hey, hey, everybody do their own thing. If it works for them, it works for you, it works for whoever, so be it. Anyway, side hustle opportunity, I don't know. But if you do want to check out a way to earn some extra cash, that's super easy. You might want to check out my $50 side hustle. Now that don't involve no adult content, right? Unless you somehow, I don't know. But that involves no adult content. Super easy way to start earning $50 commissions. You can check that out. Link below. All right, that's my take on text 121 chat. If you decide to apply and get hired, please come back to this video and comment. Let us know what your experience was with the company. If you did work for them in the past, comment and let people know what they could expect if they get hired at this company. All right, give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.